Hey y'all, it is Coach Cave and happy Thursday. Today we are going to continue with our story, but first things first, just like every non-Zoom day, I want you to complete that check-in for today so that I know how you're feeling, how you're doing, and what questions you might have for me. After that, you are going to continue reading A Common Bond. Yesterday, we started reading it, and today we're going to continue with that. So when you click on the story, you're going to see this right here. I have recorded myself reading the story, so some people that's helpful for them. If I'm reading the story, you're able to follow along a little better. So if you would like that, you just push play and you'll hear my voice reading the story. If my voice makes you want to cry inside, don't do it then, okay? So it's sectioned out, and you'll see that every once in a while, there are some questions here. Please don't skip over them and just skim through. I want you to look at them. For example, this first one, notice the note. Highlight the quoted words in paragraph 10. Your paragraphs are not numbered, so what I did is I would highlight, if it says paragraph 10, I highlight the whole paragraph. You're going to want to just identify the quoted words. And then, is this quotation essential to understanding the main idea of the text, and why do you think the author included it? I want you to jot down the answers to these things on a piece of paper or in your journal, and that's going to be the best place for that. We'll do part 2, and oh, my lights went off. And then after that, click the next arrow and move on to part 3. Same thing going through. I highlighted whatever paragraph the questions might be asking you about. After you finish that, please make sure that you read all of this, and then you are going to go to our quiz. So we're in my view. That's why it looks a little different. Yours will go right to the quiz. You're going to have 3 multiple choice questions and 2 short answer questions. So one thing I want to point out real quick is the first multiple choice question says, which of the following best expresses the focus of part 2 of the text? I'm pointing this out because I was not going to copy and paste all of part 2 in there. So when you read, pay attention so you can answer this. Everything else, if it talked about something, I put it in here so that you could reference it to help you answer. So it is also all right to look at the questions before you start reading so that you know what your goal is at the end, all right? So that is what you will finish for the day. And if you have any questions, please let me know. It is a great day to be a ranger, and keep living the dream, y'all.